to go.
Can you guys tell that I'm not sick anymore? Because I'm not sick anymore. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to finally announce that I no longer will have none of my tools in bins. I have a toolbox. Finally. The days are over where I have everything sitting on cabinets that are supposed to actually be installed inside my house, but they're no longer going to be in bins. I'm super excited about this. So we went ahead and got this working bench toolbox thing, and it's from the brand Husky. It's apparently 46 inches and has 9 drawers, and it's supposed to be heavy duty. I really like it. So far, one of my favorite things about this workbench is that it has 6 outlets, and it also has 2 USB ports right over there. I really like this. It also has this handle, which makes it easier to transport throughout the garage. I went ahead and I picked up some new tools as well. I really needed a new drill set, and I went ahead with this Ryobi one because I do have a Ryobi drill. I'm gonna need these when I do the holes for the electrical inside of the garage. And I also went ahead with this ratcheting screwdriver, which is a 12-in-1 ratchet screwdriver. I think it's pretty cool. I've never owned one of these, so this is pretty cool. And I also got this 6-piece nut driver set, as well as this 3-piece hex key set, which I really needed some hex keys. And if you can't tell by now, we like Husky. First look inside. Oof, nice. I believe these are the mats that go in every drawer. That's pretty cool that it comes with mats. I really like the fact that it comes with mats, because I was looking at a lot of organizational videos for toolboxes online before I did this video, and I was looking at ways where I can organize my toolbox, and one of the things that I came across was people putting liners inside of their toolboxes. I wouldn't know because I've never owned one, but I'm happy that this came with its own, so I don't have to buy any. So I do own this little drawer full of, I guess you would call it very cheap, like, tools. They don't have a brand name, they're just, you know, emergency tools. And at first I was just gonna keep them in this little box, but I realized that I do like the fact that this is a working bench and I'm gonna need the space up top, and I really don't want to take over. So I'm gonna leave them in their little containers, and I'm just gonna put them inside the drawers, because I feel like that is the most convenient and best possible way to organize all of this. I think I'm going to put my pliers and stuff right here. And I'll also do these down here as well. I think that's pretty good, right? Yeah, I think that's fine. It's a pretty nice set. And then if I have anything extra, I'll just put them on the side. And that's that. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I put it back? I'm not sure. Is amazing. I think, oh, it works just like my Milwaukee. Okay, so you put it in and then it holds. This is pretty cool. I like this. And then you pull back down if you want to change it. Pull back in. I wonder if I have to pull in every time. No, yeah, you gotta pull it in. This is pretty cool. This was only $12, guys. I think I'll put this one right here next to its brothers. It also came with all these bits, so I think I'm gonna have to find a little tray to put these in so I could keep them close by. But I think I'm just gonna do my wrenches over here because I do own a lot. So I'm gonna move this forward. I'm gonna move this forward and leave the wrenches on this side, and then I think I'll just do like my sockets and my ratchets on here as well. So I think I might just move this one over here so that I have everything all kind of organized. I'll do my drill bits. I'll do the drill bits right here. So I'll keep the drill bits in here alongside with the screwdrivers, and below it I'll have like my pliers and such in the bottom cabinet, since I don't really reach for these a lot, but I still reach for them. Okay, so in the bottom I think I'm going to put my nut buster. So we'll do this big boy right over here. That's if, oh, sit him down right there. We'll do it like that. Yeah. And then we just gotta take off the drill bit over here. We'll do this little guy right over here. Nice. Okay, cool. I do have these organizers that I bought when Sarah was here when we went to Harbor Freight. I don't know how well this is gonna stand if I put it like this, but they do have little holes on each end. And I think if I drill this to maybe a plank of wood, it'll stay up. So I'm gonna try and get creative real quick and see what I can come up with. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys. All right, so this is not the nicest plank of wood, but it kind of works. I don't have them screwed in, but I kind of have an idea of maybe organizing them like this and giving them a little bit of space in between just so like the sockets don't hit each other. And I could put this whole entire plank facing up and it will sit down in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. That's pretty neat. Nice. Alrighty guys, so I built my own little plank and that was pretty easy. So it'll pretty much look something like this. It fits perfectly too. That's great. It'll fit like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and organize all my sockets and then put it right back in. First of all, none of these are in order, so they are coming right out and being reorganized. Close enough. Note to self, these long ones will not close. So I'm gonna take these off because they won't close. And I'll figure another way of storing these. I also ran out of the 1/4 organizers, so I'm going to have to put these all in a little bucket for now. But these long ones need to go. Okay, so this is how I organized it. Close enough. So that solves that problem for now. And now to deal with these. Right next to it. Cool. These are all my wrenches from Gear Wrench, and I really like them. They come in super handy, so I'm gonna put these up top. It looks like I've been here for a while because now it's dark out, but I finished organizing my workbench, and I kind of want to show you what's up top first. I have my Milwaukee light up here, so that's gonna be chilling there. My Ryobi charger, the Milwaukee charger, is going to be there because right on the side, that's where all the outlets are. Nothing is connected yet though. I have my gloves over here. These are from Harbor Freight. They're the Hardy heavy duty gloves in medium. I really like those. And up top over here we have basically all of like my essential tools that I use all the time, such as like my flashlight, my prying tool. I used to use the rivet a lot when I had the rivets on the FRS, but not anymore. I have my stapler. I have my multimeter and my test light, as well as my wire brushes and a pair of scissors, some extensions, and these are my Gear wrenches that I took off their plastic case, which is right over here, and I put them in like this because I feel like this is a little bit better than having them in that case. I am going to figure out a way to organize this a lot better, but for now this is gonna have to do. And then I have things like my rotary tool and my electrical tape and a flashlight, which is super handy to have right there up top. I'll never forget it. On this one I have all my ratchets and the little ratchet set that I got from that little box thing that I showed you guys, and my new tools that I bought today. So I got that going on there. On the second row I have all the sockets and just empty space. There's nothing in here, and there's nothing in here. As I'm clearing out the garage for the renovation, I am clearing out things and putting them in the basement, so a lot of my tools are over there. In this one, I have all my screwdrivers as well as my wire cutters, and my drill bits are in here as well. So that's nicely organized. In this one, we have more pliers and wrenches and stuff. So that's that. And in the big one, we have my nut buster, my Ryobi, and then my baby Milwaukee that's in there. So that is that, guys. As I keep cleaning and as I finish the garage, I'm going to assess what else I have so that I can put in here. I do want to get another one of these because we do have other tools, and the plan is to kind of have maybe like a workbench over here and then another one on that area. But as of right now, I'm not too sure what the plans are for this garage. I am just happy that we do have a toolbox finally. We're gonna be working tomorrow, me and Cody, on putting more of the insulation in. As you guys remember, I was a little bit too sick to continue on, but I feel a lot better. So we're gonna go ahead and do this and bang it out. So hopefully we can remove most of the stuff that's on this side so that we can continue going on this way and remove these shelves and finally get rid of more junk that's just hanging out. Like, why do I need a unicorn pool floaty? I don't know. Currently, the FRS is not turning on, not because of anything crazy. It's because the battery died. So I need to charge the battery, get her out of here so that I can remove more of the things that are here. The last time I tried to get out of the garage, the diffuser scraped right over here, and it kind of nicked off a bit of the diffuser, so I'm gonna fix that and kind of spot paint it real quick before I put it on, but this is gonna be a later thing. She's very dirty, by the way, like super dirty being in here, but I guess it's better in here than being outside in the elements. I know, baby, we'll drive you soon. Before I let you guys go, I do want to tell you that I'm going to be in Arizona in the next following week. I'm flying out there to see Sarah again, but I'm also going to be there for an event called Zip Tie something. I'm not too sure, but I will be there for that event. I'll give you guys more information on my Instagram, so don't forget to go and follow me if you haven't already. I'm going to leave all the information down below where you can follow my Instagram and my Patreon. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I really want to hear what you guys think about this video. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.